Imagine you were a programmer in the late 1980s. Every time you want to write a simple program, you find yourself writing dozens of complex lines. Programming had become hard, slow, and boring. But one person decided to change all of that. This is the story of how Python was invented. In 1989, a Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum was working at a research institute. He used existing programming languages every day, but felt that most of them were far more complicated than they needed to be. He asked himself a simple question. Why is there no programming language that is easy to read, easy to learn, and still powerful? So, during the Christmas holiday, he started a new project at home. He had no idea that this project would change the world of programming forever. You might think the name Python comes from the snake, but the truth is different. Guido was a big fan of the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. He wanted a name that was short, easy to remember, and unique, so he chose the name Python. The snake logo only came later because of the name. At first, not many people paid attention, but over time, programmers discovered that Python made writing code much faster. Universities started teaching it, then companies adopted it. It moved into web development, then data analysis, then artificial intelligence. Today, Python is used in thousands of projects all around the world. The reason is simple. Its code is easy to read. A beginner can learn it quickly. And at the same time, the world's top experts rely on it every day. That is why Python became one of the most widely used programming languages on the planet. Millions of students begin their programming journey with Python. It all started with one simple idea. One developer who wanted to make programming easier. And years later, Python became the language the world depends on for artificial intelligence, data science, software development, web applications, and much more. Which programming language do you want to hear the story of next? Write it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content.